Okay, guys, time to get cheesy.
Today I got a chili cheeseburger, and it was marvelous.
Just about every bite at this belly-busting burger joint is oozing with gooey, melting, bubbling, heavenly cheese.
It's really good once it hits your mouth.
The only thing tastier than all this melted cheese is a giant juicy burger to stack it all on. And that's just what you're going to find at Cheesy Jane's in San Antonio.
And the food is always consistently good, just fabulous.
Jon Lindskog is the big cheese at this legendary eatery, a man with a heart that's even bigger than those monstrous burgers.
You do a lot for our military.
For the last 15 years, we've been going to the Warrior Family Support Center, providing milkshakes for all the wounded warriors and their families. It's just a great place out there.
It's an amazing place out there, and there's some amazing people there. It's pretty special.
Thank you.
Cheesy Jane's is a throwback to the past, with colorful reminders of days gone by.
I love the counter service. This reminds me of the old-style diners.
Yes, it's like an old diner, and everybody can see all of the activities in the kitchen and at the milkshake station.
There's plenty of action on tap. These guys whip up nearly 30 flavors of milkshakes and malts.
They're amazing.
I love the milkshakes. They're really good.
I loved the chocolate banana,
They're all made by hand with ice cream, whole milk, and then fresh ingredients as well.
a fresh banana, lots of chocolate, and ice cream made especially for Cheesy Jane's.
Oh, that's good.
Jon rolled out Cheesy Jane's on wheels 8 years ago. His 2 food trucks are now a staple in the Alamo City. And boy, do fans love this big burger brand. One bite of these, and you'll understand why.
If you want a juicy burger, this is the place to come.
Forget those preformed patties.
This kind of got my attention. What in the world?
1 pound,
Yeah.
half, third of a pound, 2-ounce sliders.
The secret to these burgers is freshly ground meat, smashed on a sizzling hot grill. The famous Wurst burger is a ½ pound of meat, smothered with onions, barbecue sauce, a mound of cheese, and a hearty hunk of kielbasa.
My favorite's the Wurst burger. You get a sausage on top of it, so can't go wrong with that.
The bean burger is stacked with refried beans, cheddar, onions, salsa, and Fritos, of course.
I always get the bacon cheeseburger.
There's something to please every palate at Cheesy Jane's. Don't miss the very addictive tater tots.
They're crunchy, and I like a crunchy tater tot.
We like them too, but what we really love are the bountiful burgers flying off this grill. The massive Southwest burger is a palate-pleasing work of art.
You have a famous mayonnaise you use on this burger, right?
Southwest mayonnaise, it is famous, it's delicious. A little bit of heat from Serrano, fresh cilantro, Mexican oregano, and our Cisco mayonnaise.
Oh, that's good.
It's good?
Oh, that's cilantro.
Yeah.
Next, smash a full pound of meat on the grill.
Whoa!
Yeah, you can take some That's a big that's a big patty.
Wow.
One more time. there you go. Keep going.
Mine's coming apart.
No, it's okay.
Put it back together, Brian.
We need seasoning.
Once it's grilled to perfection, pop it on a perfectly toasted cheddar jalapeno bun. And then dig in. Cheers. Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
I am too. Over the top. That's amazing. Unbelievable. 1 pound.
Big burgers, old-fashioned milkshakes, and generosity. This place serves up some serious fun and a whole lot of cheese.
I like the food, I like the service, and I like the people.